Hello again, Earthlings. Today we are going to fix this heavily corroded chrome wheels. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on making this wheels looks new again. Let's get started. First, sand down the corroded part with 80 grit sandpaper disc. Make sure all the corroded part is sanded. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams. Then you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. Now use 180 grit orbital sanding paper to sand the entire chrome area. This is to make sure the paint will stick to the wheels. Do not left any chrome area unsanded, or the paint will not stick to it. Make sure all the corroded part is perfectly flushed with the chrome part. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I will polish this lips later on before I start spraying the wheels. This lips is coated with thin layer of chrome, so need to remove it before I can start the polishing process. Need to fix all this curb rash too. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going. First layer of undercoat paint. Wheel paint is done. Sparkling silver.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you did.
Time to remove all the masking tape.
I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it.
I use all metal polish for the finishing of this polished lips.
Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
This is how the end result looks like. Super shiny.
You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing. I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just
make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?